Kitronik Inventor's kit is a set of components by Kitronik, part of the BBC microbit ecosystem. The theory behind this project is an application of the conservation of energy, how the wind can be used to generate electrical energy. We aim to build a scale model of a windmill generator to see the theory applied in practice on our desk. The same model of wind generator can also be used as an anemometer, the instrument used to measure wind speed. Thanks to the enthusiasm of Xavi, a young maker crazy for everything about electronics, robotics and coding, I've invited him to create together a microbit project using the components of the Kitronik box. Except for a small 3D printed motor support and the Kitronik box content, the remaining materials were recycled, and some were cheap, easy to find components worth less than $1. That included a nice coloured fan that fits perfectly to our needs as a wind generator. A tool that should never be missing from the maker's desk is a hot glue gun. This tool can be used to easily fix an incredible number of issues. My young guest and I enjoyed building our model of the aeolic generator. The DC motor included in the Kitronik kit has been used in reverse to produce energy. After explaining the theory of how to read analog values from the motor, we then had to complete the build of the circuit. The base of the structure hosting the microbit and the circuit consist of the Kitronik kit support with the integrated breadboard. Once the hardware build was completed, we moved to the computer to start the coding. The coding process is also a great opportunity to teach. Programming is made easy thanks to the block graphic programming language. After some software changes and updates, it was with great happiness we got to see our wind generator working and the microbit E-LED matrix displaying the current value returned by the motor.